some ideas and uses for your fence, if you're having challenges with your fence, and if you're on the fence about your fence. So, let's move forward.
Are you a DIYer looking to sharpen your skills? Looking for solutions for home improvement issues? Getting advice when needing to hire a contractor? And staying up to date on the latest the industry has to offer on news and trends? You are in the right place. Welcome to Discover Your Home with your host, Mark Lotz.
A little idea here. We decided to put in a little garden, and also we have also seen where we're putting in. You'll see fences put in for like a dog walk or dog kennel, so the dog can do its business in an area, so you're not having to go chase all over the backyard. I've got several dogs, and trust me, I don't have to do that. I pay a professional called my son to do that, and it's a lot of work. So a lot of times you can do a good 12 by 12 area, fence it off, put a nice little gate on it, throw some pea gravel down, and it's a great dog kennel or dog run for the dogs to do their business. And you got to walk them out there, but and walk them back into the house if they don't want to come back in. Unless you can get them to open the gate on their own, that would be fabulous. But that would definitely be a nice addition, or fence in a little garden area. We've done that and have a nice little area that we keep in the backyard, and you can keep yourself a little bit of garden. It kind of keeps things out of there. Trust me, the bunnies will get in there no matter what. They can find a way, so you have to go make extra measures there. And really, you can if you're tired of the garden and you just want to convert that to the dog run or vice versa, you can do it. Pretty simple, but these are some of the things that we're seeing out in the marketplace today. So, hey, thank you again for joining me. I'm Mark here at Discover Your Home. And thank you. Have yourself a great weekend.
Thanks so much for listening to this episode of Discover Your Home with your host, Mark Lotz. Online at lotzremodeling.com. That's Lotz, Lotz, remodeling.com. And on Twitter and Facebook at Lotz Remodeling. We'll catch you next time.